evidence dito. So we are the Retreated Jeep Entrepreneur. So our brand name is Retreated Jeep. The name is really highly to the brand focus of recycling and reusing materials while maintaining stylish and trendy appeal. Retreated means retreated effectively highlights the sustainability aspect, and Jeep is associated with fashions and elegance. This combination both makes a clear vision to the brand and appealing to its target audience. So Retreated Jeep is not only about just selling products but also fostering a broader movement toward fashionable style.
Good morning, everyone. So I am here to present our product, Recycled Scrap. So in this product, we collect all fabrics, select the best pieces, and we sew it together to create a scrap. By using recycled materials, you're giving a new life to fabric and making it friendly.
Okay, so target market. Our target market are the millennial women, college students, girlfriends, kids, and anyone who prefers feminine accessories. So I as woman and you as woman, student or worker, we are more comfortable when we have our hair tied, right? Because considering the weather in the Philippines, it's hot, right? So scrunchies is one of the essential accessories we need, since it provides comfort and match our outfit in daily basis. So our target market consists of individuals who prefer to see our products. Though the scrunchies are mostly for women, trans women, or anyone who's interested in feminine products, their boyfriends and loved ones, friends, or anyone who thought of it as a gift are very much welcome to purchase this product.
Chain is a storage as durability. You cannot fall off immediately. This one is a accessories holder. You may put pencils, small pens, and markers. It's used to organize your writing pen and find the documents. And this is a drawer. This is a picture frame. Frame art. And this is our packaging. product, the base our price is 50 pesos because some of our products, our materials that we use are designable materials and can be affordable for the people or students that want to buy out of the market. And these are our video of our product advertising.
Good morning, everyone. We are the eCordal company. So what comes to our mind when we created the logo and our name? So first, we started to list down possible keywords and ideas that will get accurate to the product that we are going to make. Like eco-friendly, waste, trash, and so on and so forth. And then we tried to research the names if we have error or if we have plagiarized our company name. And now we found with that eCordal. So what is the meaning of our logo? So as you can see, our logo emphasizes the majority of the color of it is green, which means nature. And the white font means simplicity. The circle means the cycle that helps the marketing, the production, the pricing, and the product development. Lastly, the combo logo, which is the 3 R's, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. We put it there. We want to emphasize the product was made from the recycled materials.
Good morning, everyone, especially you from Filipino. Good morning. I'm Raymond Cruz and I'm the Vice Chairman of our company. Now, this is the sketch of our product that is made by our chairwoman, Ms. Aliwana. So, everyone, please take a look. And now, for the next slide, I'm going to show you the visual of our product. Please step forward, Mr. Prias and Mr. Mario. Now I'm going to explain the product that we make. Our first product, the Molito Basis. The name Molito Basis refers to a calcium taste that is softly lit by the moon in 5% a peaceful haven where one is from inspiration, get away from large problems or disenjoy beauty of the moon. And now for our second product, the Paluwi. Bottles can be beautiful flowers or playful silver pieces. The bottles with colors and forms can use the interior and allow also can be used to create useful items like plant supports or carving sculptures and many more. And that's it for the next slide.
Now, who is our target audience? Our target audience is everyone. Gift buyers, customers looking for thoughtful gifts for friends or family, particularly for occasions like birthdays, housewarmings, or wellness events, may be interested in a dream catcher for eco-conscious consumers. If the dream catcher is made from a sustainable or eco-friendly materials, it could appeal to environmentally conscious buyers.
Now everyone, for the finale, I'm going to show you the advertisement of our product. So everyone, please sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Only So I just danced. I just danced.
So everyone, I hope you enjoyed dancing. Maraming salamat po.
We are from Fight Private Our presentation. Alright, we have vision and mission and also our values. So the vision is to see future where everyone can save money and work less, leading to financial stability and better life for all. So mission is SkySaver's missions is to help students and people without bank account saves money easily. So building good habits for a secure financial future.
This is our product. It is what we call air Kansha. Why? Because we all know that the airplane is traveling through the air, right? And inspiration that we get. And also, we made this by using piece of box, we cut it into rectangle in order to make a stand. And we made two pieces of small at the very end of the bottle in order to make the bottle stand in the box. And this is what we call plastic bottle that we use. Our plastic bottle, we cover it with colored paper and we put it a lot of glues in order to stick the tissues in here. And after we cover it in tissue, we use acrylic paint to paint the airplane. So you can see the design. White, black, it's very common, right? And you can see this as a cloud. You can see, di ba, an airplane. Saan nag-travel ng airplane?
Space.
The sky. Ano meron sa sky? May clouds.
Iniiwasan ang airplane ng cloud. Alam mo na.
Pag mag-imam, di may iwasan.
Greetings for everyone. Imagine a future where your savings take flight, reaching heights you've only dreamed of. Introducing SkySaver, where your every coin you save helps you lift up toward a brighter future. With SkySaver, your financial goals are always within reach, soaring higher with each step. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, your child's education, or just a rainy day, SkySaver is your co-pilot on the journey to financial freedom. SkySaver isn't just a place for your coins, it's where your dreams take off. Start your journey today and watch your dreams take flight. And this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard and good luck. SkySaver, lift off to a brighter future.
Okay guys, but before we end this topic, I want to show you an additional for this one. We have this one, okay, well, this one is Student People Challenge. We buy this one. But,
Pag binili ito guys, umalo na yung libre na yun.
thank you
Kailangan na
everyone.
lang magkano.
McDonald's offers product with Paladon that stands out for its unique design of sustainable materials. The flip mechanism is user-friendly service selling price will be 95 pesos because we have a design profit that is 15% with commission and 12.45. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, my name is Brian Cordova and I am the chairman of the group. So, it's our product and we will present the content of the product. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We call this product as a ready tote bag and it's very convenient to use anytime. Simple design because we believe that simplicity is good and our product is fantastic. Why? Because we use it manually with love and efforts to create this product, and after that we use sewing machine so we can assure our product can be used anytime. So this is our third item.
Do you want an affordable tote bag? Come here and experience our fantastic, authentic, and aesthetic brand.
Your everyday essentials, ready, tote bag.
Good morning, everyone. I'm John Lester de la Cruz, and our company is Ecoterra. We five team members, Maricel Logo, Mr. James Bernal, Ayes John Ryan, and Daniel Balanza. Ecoterra. From the two words, eco meaning actions or products that are not harmful to the environment, and terra is a Latin word for earth or land, which emphasizes the earth. And so we combine these two together. We have Ecoterra. Ecoterra is a passionate and innovative company dedicated to transforming waste into beautiful, friendly, homely work. Vision. Ecoterra envisions a future where our products not only beautify spaces, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Tagline. Ecoterra, fight for your home, good for the planet.
The materials we use for our products are magazines. The magazines we use it for our main program to create our product and design our packaging. Cardboard. For our cardboard, we use the empty tissue for our packaging of our things.
You will see this is the product I made. To make this product unique, we need to cut small piece of magazine and we need at least 860 pieces to make the product. And this, for our eco-friendly packaging.
Morning everyone, I am Joanna. Our target audience are students. Students who are interested in eco-friendly and environmental consciousness. Students with very versatile items such as recycled or multifunctional home decor. They are practical for student houses at home. The next one is interior designers and home decor industry. Last one is gift flyer looking for unique 100% recycled products.
For our pricing, this is our pricing plan. For our expenses, we purchased glue stick, glue, recycling tape, masking tape, and paper salon. And that total cost is 75 pesos. And setting up profit margin is desired of 10%. Our selling price is 80 pesos. So how do we pick up 80 pesos? From the total cost of our expenses plus common cost parentheses 10% of 75 pesos is equals to 82.5, but we're rounding it down to 80 pesos. And that is the price of the base. So, and the price range for the flowers are as follows: 15 pesos to 45 pesos, depending on the design. Buy our products or interested, you guys can contact us through our Facebook page, Gmail, or business phone. That's all for thank you. So this is our logo, and this is it, the logo of our product. The Apple Shades Kitchen Sleep Food Soap. So for the product description, this is the upgraded version of our packaging. This is the original. It comes with a box, and with the box, this is our logo, and under our logo, you can see here the paper soap. You can see the paper soap inside. So let me demonstrate it. So for the process, you need to first papasign. Tapos kalulin. Nagkakasabon po siya using parchment paper. Parchment paper is used on basically baking, but we can use it in making also
Traditional soap is in a oyster when you need it most. Introducing Aquasheet hand paper soap. Easy to use, convenient, and always ready. Just one sheet, a little water, and you're protected. the go, keep your hands clean. Aquasheet hand paper soap. Clean hands, anytime, anywhere.
I'm the chairman of our
Energetic.
Econester is a brand that promotes sustainability and creates designs by transforming waste into a artful home decor. We aim to inspire eco-conscious choices in home and living, demonstrating that sustainability and style coexist not only in living spaces but also contributing to a healthier environment. We have two types of sustainability. Ay, may ads pa! Wala ads? May ads pa!
How I really feel, so I just danced. I just